2004 Infiniti G35. This is what it looks like before we do anything to it. We're gonna do a rev up and stuff. I'm gonna show you the undercarriage because it's got high flow cats right there and right there. Then it winds into a single right there. So it's an aftermarket kit right there. It's a Z1 kit. You guys can see. It's not bad at all. Then it's got factory after that. Factory resonator in the middle. And then a rear muffler delete. So we're gonna let you guys hear it and see what it sounds like before we do any work to it. And then we're gonna put this stainless steel muffler on it. And we're gonna eliminate that resonator. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's keeping the center resonator in and wants it quieter. So we're gonna put that muffler on it to quiet it down. But this is with a muffler delete and high flow cats. This is what it sounds like. As you guys can see, these run loud. Again, this is what the sound is. It's at 117. So we'll see after we do this muffler on it, we'll see what kind of sound difference it gives, okay guys? And it's got a built-in X-pipe, like built-in into single kind of. It's a different style muffler, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. So we're gonna add that muffler and leave the resonator to tame it a little bit more. 2004 Infiniti G35. We showed you what it looked like before we started on it. So it's got the high flow cats there and there. Then it winds into a single. He wanted it quieter, so we left the resonator on it. It had a muffler delete before, and we went ahead and added a stainless steel dual muffler right there. There'll be a link to it in the description if we can find one for you guys. Something similar to it, if nothing else, right there. And there's that straight pipe that was on it before. Looks a lot better, so it should be a lot quieter. It was at like 117, 119, something like that on the sound decibel. So let's see what it sounds like now. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Look how much the muffler made a difference. Again. Well, it's barely hitting 104. And that's revving it all the way up. You hear that? That's perfect. It's clean now. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, that's smooth. Yeah, it's not overbearing anymore. All right, let you guys hear it on the inside. G35, Infiniti, and then the mail lady. Rev it! We'll see if the mail lady will give us a burnout after. You gotta do a burnout. Yeah, in the mail truck. Heck yeah!